Okay, I know this is a really bad idea, but I'm already here, so here we fucking go. Rawr. Extra noses pounces on you, ooh, you're so warm. Couldn't help but notice your bolts from across the floor. Noses your Nicky Wakey till day Matilda, hee hee. Unzips your baggiest pants, oh baby, you so musky. Take me home, pet me, and make me yours, and don't forget to stuff me. See me like my little baby tail for your bulgy. Kisses and lickies your neck. I hope daddy likey nuzzles and wuzzles your chest. I be getting thirsty. Hey, I got a little itch. You think you can help me? Only 7 inches long. Ooh, please adopt me. Paws on your butt as I lick my lips. Ooh, punish me, please. Gotta hit him with this furry shit. He don't see it coming.
I'm waiting.
I just beat misfire. I'm not even
Wait, did you
kidding.
actually?
Yeah,
Did you-
believe in
I
Oh,
beat misfire.
what?
I'm not even kidding.
what?
I actually beat the level. I'm not even kidding. I beat misfire.
Just randomly beat misfire.
Yes.
Oh.
I'm not even kidding. Like I actually just beat the level.
Three tunes before the sun. Three tunes before I ask for more. Three tunes and I'm on the floor. Three tunes I couldn't ask for. Three tunes before the fall.
Never playing this level ever again.
GG!
I'm never playing this level ever again.
They
Actually,
believe in us.
ever again.
God,
Oh my
dude.
God.